this is very important, and we recognize that you have been, I think, championing this cause of Charter of Economy for many years. And on behalf of at least Prime Institute, I can commit that in the future, in next, we are please going to elections. Whenever we go to next elections, we will be actually working on the Charter of Economy, and we'll come back to you with your inputs, and of course other political parties would be involved in that process also. And certainly I think this is very important. And moving on, I just want to, you mentioned about the currency, and I just want to pick up the sound money theme. I know you're very also sensitive on that point, but I just want to hear your views on this association between strong currency.
I'm not trying to take credits on everything, but let me remind you, Pakistan was on peg system.